everyone, it's Hetty here. How you doing tonight? What I am making for you today is homemade ricotta. Nothing like it. I have here in a pot heating up 1 gallon of whole milk. I'm going to make this, or I should say I'm going to heat this until it's 190 degrees. When it's 190 degrees, I'll be back to show you next steps. Okay, so the milk is almost getting there. You have to keep stirring it, or it might brown on the bottom. Okay, so I have my thermometer. Let's see if it's 190 degrees. Okay. It's at 190 degrees. I'm shutting off the heat. I'm adding in 2 teaspoons of salt and a 1/2 cup of white vinegar. Take it off the heat. And I'm going to stir it. And if you come closer, you can see that the curds are already beginning to develop. And what I have here is a deeper pot with a strainer and some cheesecloth. And what I'm going to do is take out the curd and put it in here and let it strain. Make sure the bottom doesn't touch the bottom of the pot so that it drains well. There you go. So what I'm going to do here is take some of the curd and strain it in the cheesecloth. And let it drain for 15 minutes, a half hour, until all the liquid is out. I'll be back when it's all done. Okay, so it's been straining for about 45 minutes. And what I'm going to do is squeeze whatever is left out. So we're gonna take the gut. Look how beautiful it is. But in order to look like the gut that you get in the supermarket or your Latagina store, what I'm going to do is whip it a little bit. Now, you can put this in the blender if you want, or the emulsifier. My emulsifier crapped out on me yesterday. You might wonder, go to all that trouble to make a gut. You got a gallon of milk that costs $4 or $5, etc., etc. Isn't it cheaper just to buy the gut? Well, it may be, but it doesn't taste the same. Try it and let me know. Until next time, bon appetit.